To have a digital assistant read a PDF, start by opening the necessary software and navigating to the home page. Next, open a PDF file to work with. To make the text readable, go to the top menu, select View, and then choose the Read Out Loud option from the drop-down menu. Or use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Shift, Control, and a specific key. Once this option is activated, select any text from the PDF file, and the digital assistant will begin reading it. For example, selecting a line of text such as "Simplify the way you work and communicate through documents" will prompt the digital assistant to read it aloud. The Read Out Loud option also provides various controls, including the ability to read a page only, pause, or stop reading. Additionally, by going to the Edit menu and selecting Preferences, it is possible to customize the reading experience by choosing a male or female voice, adjusting the volume, and modifying the pitch and speed of the voice. Once these settings are adjusted, click OK to apply the changes. This process allows for easy and customizable digital reading of PDF files.